Hi everybody, we meet again. We're going to talk about reported speech at the moment. Reported speech, there are direct and indirect speech. So let's start. These are the rules. If it's in present, the direct speech is in present, then the indirect will stay in present. If the direct speech is in the past, then the indirect speech stays in the past. On the other hand, when we're talking about the past, if the direct speech is present, then the indirect speech will have to be changed into the past. If the direct speech is in the past, then the indirect speech should be changed into past perfect. So, reported verbs are used in reported sentences to emphasize the purpose of the sentence. There are several reported verbs that can be used, but there are three most common ones. First, it's say or says, and for statement, it becomes said. Tell or tells, and it becomes told. It's for imperative or commands. And then the third one is ask or asked. It will become asked. It's for questions or requests. If the reported verbs in present form, we do not need to change the tenses. For example, Father says, you can play the computer if you are done with your homework. The reported verb here is says, which is in the present tense. Therefore, we do not need to change the sentence. It becomes Father says that I can play the computer if I am done with my homework. But if it's in the past, if the reported verb is in the past form, then we have to change the tenses into the past form of the sentence. For example, Father said the children play football every day after school. Father say is reported verb in the past form. Therefore, we have to change the whole sentence into the past. Because the direct speech is in the present, we change it into the past. It becomes Father said that the children played football every day after school. Now, in reported speech, there are certain words, mostly the adverbial of time, which are needed to be changed. First, now is changed into then. Tomorrow changed into the day after or the next day or the following day. Yesterday, it becomes the previous day or the day before. This becomes that. So if you say this morning, it becomes that morning. Then here becomes there. And then must becomes have to. Last week becomes the previous week or the week before. next week becomes the following week or the week after. Here are some more examples. Father said we must fix the house before the rainy season. Said is in the past, so we have to change the whole sentence into the past form. See, father said that we changed must into had to, so becomes father said that we had to fix the house before the rainy season. Another example. Jason said I went to Malaysia last week. Because in the past, then we have to change the whole sentence into the even past form of the sentence, which is past perfect. Jason said that he had gone, so when becomes he had gone to Malaysia the previous week. Last week becomes the previous week. So that's all for the lesson today. I hope it will help you to understand reported speech more. See you next time. Bye bye.